Hello, everybody. We are here with Ujjwal and Shipra, proud new home owners, and we will be just talking about their experience for this whole journey. So, tell me, how was your experience?
Okay, hello everyone. I'm Shipra.
Hello everyone, I'm Ujjwal.
So this process was very daunting for us because we are first time homeowners in Bay Area in California, and as everyone knows, it's very hard. And being the first being into the market for the first time, it was a very daunting process for us. But Kiyoshi, Sharad, and the whole team made sure that we are comfortable in this process. They have held our hands from the very beginning. So in total, it took us about 3 months from when we started, from when we had our pre-approval to the final closing, and they were with us throughout. Even now, after closing, we are bringing up a lot of questions for Kiyoshi, and she's helping us. So the entire process has been very good for us. Ujjwal?
Yeah, and I think they, more than property dealers, they felt like a family who were helping us right from the start. And definitely, like, as a first time homeowners, you're always nervous, you're always looking for a lot of what do you say, like comfort. And I think these guys gave us a lot, and especially, and not only we, like, it was not only a business deal, but it was like a kind of, I would say, a long-term relationship we have built. So in future, whatever we have, like in let's say going forward, we want to sell this home or we want to buy a new one, we definitely would recommend, and we'll definitely will go with these guys because they were such a treat to work with.
Yeah. And as a woman, it was very comforting working with Kiyoshi. She understood my concerns, she understood my desires. It was very easy to talk to her about anything in the whole process. And yeah, I mean, any questions, day or night, we would just ping them, and they were always available for a call, for a Google Meets call. Yeah, so I mean, they were ready to work with us as hard as we wanted to work. So it was a very good process overall. Yeah.
Thank you so much. And just for me, when you saw this property, I know that you just liked them in the photos itself, that I am sold on this one. But Ujjwal, I guess he was not sold on the pictures of the property. And when you entered it, and that is when both of you felt connected, and you're like, we just want this house, just get it for us.
Yeah.
How was that experience of going back and forth with the sellers, like, you know, when we were just sending them counters, and where their expectations was just super high?
Yeah.
So just a little experience about that.
Yeah, I think definitely once you like your home and you want to go with an offer, so the process starts right from there. And I think the process from there itself, they are very quick in order to make your offer and put it to seller. That is the most important thing, because that you want to do, like it is always served as like first come first serve basis, so you have to be fast with it. So I think these guys are amazing. Like they can create an offer within an hour or two, and you can completely trust on them. You don't have to read all those documents and just sign it off. So it starts from there. And once and you also want always a transparency from the seller and your realtor, so they are talking for your benefit, for your like whatever you want, that, so you can be rest assured that they will put the best interest of yours, not the seller. So that's something I felt it was always there. And in terms of negotiation, I would say at this point of time we got a great deal, as my wife was saying, it was a Thanksgiving deal at this point of time. So we felt like that. So it is again a definitely important skill for any realtor, and I think these guys are very good with that.
Yeah, and so actually we did a research, about how much this property actually costs. So Kiyoshi did some work with us on that. She compared this property with the other properties. She just evaluated this property for us, like an estimate evaluation. And I think that was the thing. With all the data, with all the analysis, we can go to the seller, and that's how you can negotiate. I mean, so that was one very good point, where we actually worked out the cost of this property, and we took that data to the sellers to negotiate.
Yeah. And yeah, I think to end with, like, you don't have to go a lot of back and forth, because these guys will find you the best deal anyway. So you will be happy with that, and you can just trust them.
Thank you so much.